Hey guys, welcome back to Exquisite Books. In this video, I am going to tell you how we can create products and services in QuickBooks. So whether you are selling products or you are selling services, you have to create that product or services that you are selling. After that, you would be able to create invoices for those products and services. So in order to go to the products and services section, all you have to do is to go to this gear icon, and then in the list section go to products and services, and you would be able to see this screen. The second way you can go to this section is that go to your sales section and then go to the products and services. This will take you to the same window. So at the moment, these are the two services that are appearing on this products and services section, and we are going to create the products and services one by one. So let's start. So first go to new, and then these are the options that you can create. The first is the inventory. These are the individual products. This can be of any types. For example, if you are an IT business, then the inventory may consist of different types of hardware, different type of graphics cards, and different type of physical products, physical inventory items that you are selling. On the second comes the non-inventory. Now the difference between inventory and non-inventory is that QuickBooks tracks inventory, but QuickBooks do not track the non-inventory items. For example, you can see here these are the two icons. It is showing me low stock and out of stock, because at the moment I'm not having any inventory, so that's why the count is 0. Or else if I create inventory and if I receive the bills and if I book my inventory items, QuickBooks will track my inventory units, and this will tell me that which of my units are low in stock and which are out of stock. So the thing with the non-inventory is that QuickBooks is not going to track this non-inventory items. And if you also read this statement, that this states that the non-inventory items can be of small raw materials. For example, if a business manufactures chairs or if a business manufactures tables, then the chair or a table is a single finished good of the inventory that will be tracked, but there are components that forms the table. For example, small screws, nuts, the wooden pallets, or all the other materials that are used to make up a table. So for the small items like screws, nuts, and any small raw material, we can select or treat it as a non-inventory item. So this way QuickBooks will not track it. QuickBooks will only track the inventory. On the third comes service. Now the service is it can be of any type. It can be a bookkeeping consultancy, it can be IT consultancy, legal consultancy, or any consultancy services. And on the last comes the bundle. The bundle, it can be a combination of different services, or it can be a different combination of products, or it can be a combination of both the products and services. So let's try to create one by one, and then you will get a better idea of it. First we will create an inventory item. First we have to name that what is the name of our product. So for example, let's say we may be selling some IT equipments. So here I can mention monitor. SKU number, it's up to you whether if you want to add or not, but I'll leave it empty. Category, I'll select it as supplies. You can also create your own category. You'll simply go to add new, and you can create category of the of your product. So here I'll keep it as supplies. On hand, let's say we have 25 units on hand, and let's say the date is 1st of September 2024. Reorder means that when you want to reorder that inventory item. Let's say our reorder point is 10, so whenever we have only 10 units left, we have to place a new order, because obviously it also takes time to receive the goods from the supplier as well. So, and this is the inventory asset account, which means that the cost of this inventory is going to be shown on the inventory asset, which is a current asset, and this will be represented on the balance sheet. So in the description we can mention any specific detail about our product. Let's say we can mention the size. Let's say this is a 24-inch monitor, or maybe any specific requirement. It is up to you whether you want to mention the sales price here. If you have quite stable sales prices, you can mention here, but it's up to you. You can leave it blank as well. And this is going to be the income account. Which account in the income statement you want the income of this product to be recorded in your profit and loss. So at the moment I only have one chart of account, that is sales of product income. I can also create another, maybe let's say add new. This will take me to my chart of accounts creation window that we already have done in my last video. So an account type is going to be the income, sales of product income, and I can mention the name here like sale of IT products, or whatever name you want to mention. You can also assign a number, a chart of account number if you want, and description is again the description of this specific chart of account. Save and close. So now all of my income, all of my sales associated to this product will be reflected on this account in my profit and loss statement. The purchasing information is like, you can add a little description of the purchase information as well. It will be the same. Let's keep it the same at the moment. And the cost, you can also mention the cost, just like here you can mention the sales price. Here you can mention the cost of this unit of the inventory, how much it costed you. And this is going to be the expense account. And on the expense account, this will ask you that on which account you want the cost of this product to be associated. Like when you're going to sell this item, so its cost is going to be reflected in this account in your profit and loss statement. Preferred vendor, you can add here any preferred vendor from which you purchase this product. I'll leave it blank, it's fine, and let's press save and close. So we have created our first item, that is an inventory item. And here you can see it is showing the type, the sales description, the price. I didn't mention any price, I didn't mention the cost. This is the quantity on hand, and this is the reorder point. So now let's create a non-inventory item. For the non-inventory, let's say we purchase some monitor cables. Now we don't want QuickBooks to track this product, although this is also an inventory. This is a product, this is a physical product, but let's say we don't want to track it. We are selling monitors, and we want QuickBooks to track the monitors. We don't want QuickBooks to track the quantity of the monitor cables. So that's why I have selected the non-inventory. Now these will not be tracked in the QuickBooks. The category is supplies, and yes, I sell these items to my customers. The sales price, I don't want to put any sales price, and the chart of account I can select the same. Sale of IT products, and I can also check this box, and if I purchase these cables from my vendors, and the expense account, let's say this also goes to cost of goods sold, and save and close. So now our second item is also been created, that is monitor cables. The type is the non-inventory item, and the rest I didn't fill any information here. Let's create another type of service, and this time it is going to be installation services. Like when we sell a monitor, normally selling a monitor is not a technical thing. Like anyone who is going to purchase a monitor would obviously be knowing how to install it, but let's assume that we provide installation services for the monitors as well. So let's pick the category. This is also a service, and installation services, the charges, let's say we charge a $200 for the services, and let's say save and close. Now let's create a bundle. You can name this bundle in different terms, like you can pre-select some different categories: package 1, package 2, package 3. Let's say this is package 1, and that is package 1, which means that sale of monitor along with installation services. And the description, I'm going to make it same. And now here I'm going to, now there is a checkbox here as well that says that, do you want QuickBooks to display the bundle components when printing or sending the transactions? I'll tell you about this option when we will create the customer invoices in the upcoming videos, but here I'm going to leave it unchecked. So now it is asking me to select the product or services. First I'll select the monitors. Now remember that it is going to show here only those products and services that I already have created in QuickBooks. So better make sure that whatever bundle you are creating, first you have to create that individual product or service. So I already have created monitors, so I'll select the monitor, and along with the monitor I'll select installation services. Now this is my bundle, this is my package 1, where I sell one monitor and I provide some installation services for that monitor, and that's it. So this is going to be our a combination of the products, our bundle. Save and close. I think I should remove the columns. So now our bundle is also created, and here we are done. We are done with our all of the items that we wanted to create. These are the name of our products and services, the SKU number if you want to add one, the type, the description, or the sales price, cost, and all the quantity and the reorder points. So that's it guys, we are done with our products and services. We have created inventory item, we have created non-inventory item, we have created some services, and now we also have created our bundle. In the next video we will jump to sales section, sales and customers section, where we will learn how to create customers and how we can invoice these products and services to our customers. Because remember, before selling you have to create what you are selling, and that's why this product and services section is all about. So now as we have created our products and services, so now we would be able to sell these products and services to our customers. And that's it for this video. I do hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching.